The Vantrue N4 Pro 3-channel 4K dashcam features the latest Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, offering stunning 4K resolution that ensures clear visibility of license plates both day and night. Equipped with advanced 4K HDR technology, this dashcam delivers exceptional night vision performance, capturing detailed images even in low-light conditions without blurring or color distortion. With its built-in GPS and always-on 5 GHz Wi-Fi, you can easily access and share your recordings via the Vantrue app, while the GPS feature provides accurate route and location tracking. The versatile recording options allow you to choose between front and rear or front and inside 4K plus 1080p dual-channel modes with a 360-degree rotating rear camera for comprehensive coverage. The Vantrue N4 Pro offers 4 parking modes for continuous protection, recording events before and after motion is detected, and requires a separate hardwire kit for full functionality. Hands-free voice control and an optional anti-glare CPL filter enhance user convenience and video quality, making it a reliable choice for safe and distraction-free driving.